Hi everyone, it's Damien from PackServe. Today I'm just showing you a little bit about batch coding. So this can be great if you're running products that expire, or even if you just want to keep track of which batches you have put into what containers and what has gone out. We've got some transfer belts, a conveyor and a printer. Quite often you'll have these being filled and then capped before they're transferred off onto an accumulation table for packing into boxes. So we'll just run these down here now, and we've got the print head underneath, which will just print onto the underside of the containers. And there we have a nice little batch code.